In a solid hardwood, you can see the entire surface thickness of the product is a solid wood. There's no layers attached. In an engineered product, you can see made out of many different layers of wood. So the reason for that is these layers could be different species that fight moisture better than others. So by attaching a more moisture resistant to a product on the top, so it helps absorb and not allowing the moisture to reach the top. Traditionally, more solid floor are being used due to the fact that homes are built on raised foundation, right? There's a subfloor in every home and there's typically a basement underneath. So the solid floor can be nailed down to a raised foundation subfloor and it doesn't touch a concrete slab. In today's home, many homes are built on concrete slabs. So with a concrete slab, the floor then touches the concrete where there is moisture. There's always 3.5% of moisture in concrete. So when the moisture touches the wood surface, it can transfer moisture and damage the product. So in today's environment, many homes we install are using engineered floor due to the fact that it is highly stable and we're able to fight the amount of moisture in concrete slabs. The advantage of solid floor is a little bit thicker in wear layers, so it could be resanded a few more extra times compared to an engineered floor. The advantage of engineered floor is the increased stability, the ability to install on top of a concrete floor where it has moisture, and it's minimized shrinkage year-round without having to increase any humidity in the home. They both wear exactly the same. The costs compared from a solid floor to an engineered floor are almost the same. We spend a lot of time in great detail working with the homeowners to create a floor, a texture, whether solid or engineered, to get to a product that they love, enjoy, and perform many, many years.